Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload 3 times a week, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So I'm back again guys with another makeup review video. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new Nars Orgasm X Face Cheek Palette. Is that what it's called? I got this from CULTBEAUTY. This is what it looks like. This is upside down because I've already opened it and tried it like a few days ago. Yeah, this is the new Orgasm X Cheek Palette from Nars. This is the Orgasm X, and I have the Nars Orgasm X Quad Eyeshadow. I think these products are limited edition. I'm not sure, but yeah. So I'm going to be starting off with the Quad Eyeshadow palette first. Eyeshadow Quad first. So it has this band on the packaging. Let me just take this off. This looks really cute. I haven't used this on my face yet. I just did like a little bit of some swatches. So this is the first time that I'm going to be trying this product on my face. So this is what it looks like. It's just this big. Now let's open. It has a mirror and look at the shades. You have a velvety matte and some shimmers. So let's start with this one. I'm going to do some swatches. Whoa, that is pigmented. Next is this one. Yeah, that's super pretty. And then next, this one. That is super pretty. I love the shimmer. Last is this one. Super soft but not as pigmented as the shimmer shades. There. Definitely buildable, but yeah, not as pigmented as the shimmer shades. So let's go ahead and try this on my eye. I already did like my makeup, but I haven't done any eye makeup or cheek. So let's start with a fluffy brush. And I'm going to take the matte shade and I'm going to buff and blend this all over my lids. When I buff or put eyeshadows all over my lid, I try to start and work my way in and kind of focus it a little bit on the outer corner. It gives off like a gradient look, like it has an intense color here, and I can't explain it, but yeah, it's like more darker on the outer corner, but you still have the same color all over the lid, just not that intense. And then next I'm going to be taking the darkest shade, this shade, and I'm going to focus this on my outer V. I'll try not to drag it onto my crease because I just want it to be just on the outer corner. With a clean brush, I'm going to like blend this in just to make sure there's no like harsh lines. And then next, I'm going to be taking this shade using my finger and I'm going to put this onto the center of my lid. Wow, look at that. Super pretty. Now I'm going back with the darkest shade and blend this some more. Look at that, super pretty. I'm just going to do the same on my other eye. This is super intense and sexy. I love it. Look at me. So next, I'm going to be taking this shade using my finger and apply it on my the inner part of my lid and onto my inner corners. Look at that. Super pretty. And I'm gonna go back with my clean brush and do some more blending. Super gorgeous. Now I'm going back with the matte shade and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. And using this shade again, the shimmer shade, I'm going to put this right on here. Now I'm just going to do my liner, mascara, my lashes, and then I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like when I have lashes, mascara, and liner on. Super gorgeous. It's super gorgeous. I really love it. Looks really sexy. So let's now move on. So this is the Nars Orgasm X cheek palette. It also has like the band. Super cute. So this is what it looks like. So this is the quad and this is the cheek palette. So this is what it looks like. It also has a mirror, and then you get a highlight, Orgasm X highlight, the Orgasm Blush, and an Orgasm X blush. So I'm going to be putting on the Orgasm X blush first on like the outer part of my cheek, and then this one on the apples of my cheek, and then I'm going to be using this as a highlight. So let's start with Orgasm X and a clean brush, and let's put this here. Oh, that's intense. Also, you guys, I didn't put on any bronzer, so you can see the color better, the color of the blushes. So this is the Orgasm X. Let me do a swatch as well. So that is Orgasm X. That is a very pretty color. It's like a deep coral. Wow. Look at that. I think the color is super nice. I love this. I love it. And you can totally build it up without it getting patchy or whatever. Look at that. I already love how it's it looks like, but I'm trying to build it up just to show you how it would look like. Now with another brush, I'm going to be taking this shade. This is the Orgasm Blush. And I'm going to put this on here. I love that this has a little bit of a shine or like a bit of a shimmer to it. It makes my skin look glowy. Look. It makes my skin look glowy and healthy. I really love it. I'm going to put some on my nose and on my chin. That is so cute! Girl! I love how this makes my skin looks. So now I'm going to put on highlight. Let's go ahead and get this shade. I'm going to put this on my cheekbones, on the tops of my cheekbones. Whoa. Look at that glow. Whoa. Let me do some swatches for you guys. So this is the Orgasm and the highlight. Look at that highlight. my god! It looks so beautiful. It's blinding. That was intense. Girl. She is blinding. I'm going to put some on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow. I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, this is the finished look. Look how blinding, glowing, and healthy my skin looks like. Look at my eyes. It's super sexy. I love it. This collection, the Orgasm X, I really love this. I really love the eyeshadows. I really love the cheek palette. It's super easy to work with. They're blendable. They're buildable. It's super smooth. I just love it. Like, can you see? The product speaks for itself. This is super pretty. It's a whole mood. I love it. I'm obsessed. Like, totally recommend. So that is it. Like, look at that. Also, you guys, I'm wearing a Nars lip product as well. This is the Nars Lip Pigment Power Matte Lip Pigment. This is the Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade American Woman, and I love it. This is my current favorite lip product at the moment. This is my favorite lip product at the moment, and look at her. So yeah, guys, overall, I totally recommend this product. Like, I think I've already said that. But yeah, it's super pretty. I swear the highlight is gorgeous. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thank you guys for watching. Also, you guys, my friend does YouTube as well, and I'll have her link down in the description. She also does like makeup videos. Recently, she did a grunge aesthetic makeup and a soft girl aesthetic makeup. So yeah, go ahead and check her out. And for my next videos, I'm planning on doing the same, or like transforming myself into like an e-girl, or like more of transformation videos, because suddenly I can't speak, like, why? But yeah, for my next videos, I want to showcase my talent, because I know I have a little bit of like talent and creativity in me, and I wanted to showcase that on my videos and not just review like stuff. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss all of that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.